In this video, I'm going to show you how to Xeriscape your yard just like this. Wait, hold on. That's better. Guys, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Thanks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to Xeriscape a yard. I had to dig up a couple of inches of dirt here so the rocks wouldn't sit up too high, and this also helps remove any weeds that may not have sprouted yet, and you can also drop some weed killer on the dirt as well. So after you dig out a lot of the dirt in the main part of the area that you're trying to Xeriscape, you're going to want to dig a 1 to 2 inch trench along the edge of your sidewalk here so you can put the landscape timber in its place and it'll kind of hold it in place. If you set it on top of the dirt, the timber could knock over, things like that. If you set it too far in the dirt, it's just going to get really moldy and rot and it won't hold in much of the rocks. Since I'm building a barrier around my Xeriscaped area with landscape timbers, I'm going to put some sand down to help level the timbers and add a little drainage under the beams so water doesn't sit as much. This step isn't really necessary, I just had a leftover sandbag from a different project. So I'm going to use some black plastic here instead of landscape fabric because through experience, weeds pop straight through the fabric as if nothing is there. If you plan on putting in plants though, use fabric so water and nutrients can reach the roots. Plastic will block all of those things out from reaching the plants. I'm also going to put the plastic under my pavers to really keep weeds from popping through, as well as putting the plastic all the way to the edge underneath the timbers so plastic doesn't grow through as easily by the sidewalk. You'll want to pile up the rocks about 2 inches deep to prevent any plastic or fabric from showing through. So that's essentially all it is. It costs less than 50 bucks for the plastic and for the rock and then for these timbers here. It was super quick. We were able to do it in one single day. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can catch more of my content.
Award-winning smile.